Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your profile picture on Nextdoor account. To change your profile picture on Nextdoor, first of all, open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in nextdoor.com and search. Make sure to log into your Nextdoor account as well. And once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now in the pop-up, click on View Profile. After opening up your profile section, click on this Edit Profile button and click on the little camera icon right under your name, initial or your profile picture. Click on Choose Photo in the pop-up and it'll take you to your device's library. Select a picture you'd like to add as your profile picture and you will be able to upload your photo. Once it is done, you can crop your picture and choose the part you want to include and click on Save. Right after you do that, you will be able to update your profile picture. You can also upload a cover photo if you want by clicking on Upload Cover Photo and choose a photo of your choice. So that's how super easy it is to add or change your profile picture on Nextdoor. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.